Today we're having a cooking class with Luke. They're making a cake. The first rule to cooking is, what do y'all think?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Go wash your hands. They'll be right back. And, okay, Scarlett's washing her hands. Luke Solomon's in another room washing his hands. They're putting in the eggs, cracking them. That looks so delicious. How many eggs are y'all doing?
3.
Okay. Crack it on the side, Luke.
This one we're going to do it together, right?
Crack it a little harder on the side, Luke. Harder. Don't be afraid.
I'll hold it this way.
Okay, now break open your 2 ends of the egg. Let the egg fall in. You're doing good.
Whoa.
Awesome. Now set your broken eggshells in here, guys.
Let's tear it. Tear it.
Okay, how's that going, Scarlett?
Whoa.
Here you go, Luke. You wipe your hands.
4, because I want to use 4.
No, it says 3. So stir that up, everybody.
What about Luke's spoon?
Both of y'all get to stir. You stir for a while, and then here you go, Luke Solomon.
Look at this egg.
I would hold the bowl if I was you, Scarlett, guys. Just so it doesn't go flying off.
Is that good? This is good, right, Luke?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's good.
With that.
Ooh, but what about mine? This one for me. Hey,
Thank you,
that's my
Scarlett,
chair.
guys. Why don't we put the eggs in the middle so y'all both can stir? Okay. Now it says that, okay, this is 1 1/3 cups water in this. It's already been measured out. So, Scarlett, you want to put in the water and Luke
No.
can put in the oil, or?
No, we both put in the egg.
Okay. This is what my homemaking teacher in 8th grade told me. You make a little well right here in the center, and it's fun, and then you pour all your ingredients in there. There's your water. How about the eggs? You're going to pour that in?
Oh, yeah, the eggs.
That looks so good. Now, why don't y'all start stirring that while I get the oil and measure it, okay? We need 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Who would like to pour in a 1/3 cup oil? Here's the oil.
Us.
Okay, here you go, guys.
We both do it. Stir it up. Hey, why'd you move away, Will?
Now we gotta start our oven. But the golden rule, you don't taste the stir and put it back in the cake mix, okay?
Okay.
Because you know what happens, right? You get your germs back in there. Okay, let's stop. Someone's got to spray the pan perfectly evenly, even on the sides.
Guess what? We're gonna do it but we're gonna take turns doing it.
Okay.
My turn. Hey. Oh, my turn.
Oh, make sure, rule number 1, that it's not pointing towards someone's eyes. Okay, Scarlett, the whole room is getting full of... Oh, wow. Woo! That's some serious...
Now let's do it.
No.
I'm not chasing you out. There.
Now we're going to take the flour and put it in the pan. The pan, not the cake mix, and spread it around. Okay? We'll do this, guys. Look. Okay? Wait, just get it all over. This is to keep it from sticking. Get it all on the sides. How's it coming?
Good. See?
Yeah, that's great. Wow. You can get on the sides too. That is so good, guys.
There.
How many times did y'all beat that mix?
Lots of times.
Okay, each of y'all beat it 50 times.
50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, let's do it by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Good job. Okay, set your...
Creamy it looks.
Who is ready to pour it into the pan?
We are.
Guys?
Yeah. Correct. Whoa!
Okay, I think that's plenty.
Looks like yellow custard, right? No,
Smell it.
yellow-
Does it smell good? Okay, I'm going to go put it in the oven.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Game.
Thank you, my love.
People.